Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artist, and today we're talking about one of our Genesis kits that we installed. This particular project was a renovation where we took out an old, crappy fiberglass waterfall that's been there for a while, kind of those hollow plastic fiberglass ones, and we got rid of it. We executed it and killed it and took it to our graveyard, so to speak. We're murdering plastic waterfalls all over the country, and we have a graveyard of them that we're piling up in our yard. As you can see, a lot of corpses out there. So we took that out. It was a renovation. They were renovating the pool. So as part of the renovation, we added a Genesis double, which is I think 12 foot wide, 2.5 foot high sheer descent waterfalls. It went in great. You know, we took the customer through the design process. They went on our website. They picked the kit they liked. The kit got palletized and shipped right to the house. It got dropped right at the curb in a beautiful pallet with a name on it and a kit number and our logo. And they unboxed it and they took it in piece by piece. Like we say, 2 guys, 1 day, no specialty tools, skills, or equipment. This particular project, we used a standard black hand truck, but we also used Big Yellow. Big Yellow is a hand truck on steroids. Not really necessary, but had to buy it when I saw it. Construction guys could do anything and just put anything on steroids, but a hand truck. I saw this hand truck online and it was like a big beefy 4x4 diesel hand truck. And I had to buy it. Didn't even know if we were gonna use it, but we bought it. And it sat there for 1.5 years and then we finally used it on this job. It is just a really cool hand truck. You can pick up more weight, but honestly, you didn't really need it. It was just a bit overkill, like a lot of things that we do around here. But you can use a standard black hand truck, which we also use on the project. Everything went smooth, brought it in. Even with the rain, it rained for 1.5 hours and it was mud pit. But even with that, the build went great. We got all the pieces in and got all the plumbing done. There was a valve box in the back where we had to tie in some valving because it is 2 waterfalls. And when you have multiple waterfalls, you want the ability to adjust them. So a simple valve box with a 3-way valve to control the water worked out great. And it went in 1 day and everything kind of worked out really well.